Oh, hey. Welcome back to George Stone Channel. Today we're in the rescue ramp truck, getting ready to go get front tires put on it. Little mom and pop or guy without a mom, I don't know. Little shop down the street from where we keep the truck at. He's going to throw a couple steer tires at it. That should cost me. Oh, boy. If I like to give money to local businesses, not the big chains. So I found this guy about a month ago. Say he's going to do me right. Take a little bit of video, show you what they're going to do to it, and maybe it'll make something to watch. Maybe it won't. Who knows? It's kind of tight to get in. That's going to be the fun part, watching me get in and out of this little parking lot he's got. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Sure what goes on. Front suspension. Oh, looks pretty good. This one's a little tighter than the other side, but not bad. I'll put a new slack adjuster in here in a little bit. Turn it up good. the other side. Look good. Clean. Alright. Guys in there going to town. All right, taking the rescue ramp truck back to its resting home, our little storage place where I keep it. You saw we had all the guys. We had Bubba and Mike and his guys at Southeast Tire and Logistics there in Troutman, North Carolina, did a terrific job putting front steer tires on the rescue ramp truck. Let's see, I ran it up and down the interstate. It runs just perfect. I mean, they put the balance beads in it, man. It's just as smooth as can be. It's perfect, honestly. Gotta still have a little bit of a drive shaft buzz because I've got all the weight is off of the chuck now, and I've got my U joints out of whack because I'm basically maxed out on the rear suspension. So I gotta here in maybe another couple videos I'll take and take the raising blocks, the height blocks, and maybe a couple of leaf springs out of the back of this thing, so I can get the back down a little bit and get the drag shaft for more high. So I can't be any happier right now. This thing is running like I'm hot. Still like a truck, but it's a truck. No weight on it. I mean, you got to figure over the course. I mean, since I bought this thing, I've either cut, removed, or pulled out close to 10,000 pounds out of the truck. But it's the same suspension. Figure, it's meant to have 8,000 pounds of water, 2,000 pounds of pump. Plus, I'm sure they had at least 4,000 pounds of gear. The body alone, Pierce's body was just stupid heavy. So yeah, I've removed maybe 14,000 pounds plus. I put back on maybe a couple now. But yeah, so life's a little rough for what it is, but it's done. It's kind of done actually. Now I got tires on it. Got the transmission unlocked for 6 speeds, and it runs 70 miles an hour at 2,000 RPM, which is perfect. You'll take it anywhere. So it's turned out to be a good runner. You can see with my other videos, now the tires are on it. I do a lot less counter steering. Before, with the old tire-rotted tires that are on it, it's kind of a handful. You're always going to chase it. Now it's really good. Really good. I'm very impressed. Again, you might know over at Southeast Tire Logistics there in Troutman, North Carolina. Google them. Look them up. Give some business. No,